Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Meanwhile,
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.
Okay, so now we have the basic premise done.
I still need to drill a hole in one of the sides to put the hairdryer in. Ooh, that's tough. This is probably what I should have done in the first place. Much easier when you clamp it down. Just borrowing my wife's hairdryer. But the way this works is basically you put your boots on here. I did make two different size pipes. One's about an inch shorter than the other one. So you just put your boots on there, whether they're work boots, outdoor boots, ski boots, or anything like that. And what you do is you just take a hairdryer. Keep in mind this is not UL listed, and you gotta be careful. This is wood, this produces heat. You don't wanna start a fire. And I'm just gonna turn this on low, stick it in the hole, and because this doesn't fit in there super stellar, I'm just gonna put it like that. And now what happens is a nice, slightly warm air blows out of here and blows out of the boots, and it will dry them with ease. This will dry out the inside of your boots if they get wet, get them all nice and dry. So when the next time you go outside, you're good to go without having any wet feet. You can sand this, paint this, whatever, however you want. In the case of me, I'm just gonna knock sharp edges down with the sander. I've already done that with the pipe. Then I'm just going to leave it as it is. Somebody can't measure it.